Alright, this is a Kenmore Ultra Stitch 8. This is a 1345381, 158 manufacturer, so I believe that's Jaguar Marutzen. It's got plastic cam stack in the top here, built-in stitch dial to auto-select all your stitches for the two normal stitches, regular, a few zigzag options, two regular plain stitches, blind hem and a darning stitch, and then 4 stretch versions, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 stretch, so that's 8 stitches, and then a built-in buttonhole. To thread this machine, it's got a guide here, clips into the front here, around the outside of your tensioner, up under the finger, through this guide once, through the take-up arm, back through this guide above the needle bar, a guide on the needle bar clamp, and thread from front to back. There we go. Bobbin winding on the Ultra Stitch 8 is just like all of the other Kenmores with this bobbin winder and guide here. Thread comes off the spool pin, wraps around the outside, crosses over itself. There's the clutch nut on the end here to loosen the hand wheel, and your bobbin winder snaps into place, just like so.